Watch how I turn all of this into this. So this is the carry-on suitcase. It has embarkation day clothes as well as the first elegant night clothes in there. And then it is also stacked with diapers and pull-ups, because guess what? At the very least, if something, God forbid, if something happens to our luggage, we got 2 days worth of clothes and dry butts. So this has been a task, y'all, because I promised myself I was only going to take 3 check bags, and I meant just that. So this one's got a lot of miscellaneous stuff. Shoes, think underclothes, we're hiding ducks. Literally this side is just a whole bunch of random stuff. This side, same thing. Got first aid, baby wipes, my cleaning materials, air freshener, detergent pods, disinfectant wipes. This is a medicine bag. This is stuff like towel clips and hooks and things like that. Got some gloves, some hand soap in there. So this is literally like the miscellaneous suitcase. This suitcase has all of the swim stuff for everybody. Pajamas, toiletry bag. This sleeve has our door decorations. This one's got casual clothes for me, casual clothes for Deuce, casual clothes for Jackson, shoes, and casual clothes for Janelle. And then lastly, this one has the elegant night clothes. Well, not just elegant night, but the dinner clothes for Janelle, mine, Jeremy's, Jackson's, Deuce, and then shoes and underclothes. So try to keep everything categorized so when it's time to unpack, it'll be easy.